about it. Hair Botox. But what it is exactly? Let's find out. Of seeing your hair dull, frizzy, and tangled? Afraid of hair treatment because of harmful chemicals? Introducing LOTUS Amino Plus combined with amino protein treatment with Botox to give life to your hair. The safest way even to hair with color. It can be used to all types of hair and can be applied to kids, even pregnant women too. Amino Plus Botox treatment is targeting the inner core of the hair strands, transforming your hair from root to end, making your hair back to life that lasts 6 months up to 1 year. Start by washing your hair thoroughly using Lotus Biology Clarifying Shampoo. Then, dry the hair using hair dryer. Make sure the hair is fully dried. Divide the hair into 4 parts. Securely tie each section with a clip. In a mixing bowl, pour small amounts of Lotus Amino Plus. Starting at the nape of the neck, work towards the front. Apply the medicine beginning at the root of the hair of each section and follow to the other section until the hair is fully covered. Follow a simple timing chart and leave to the hair 45 minutes to 1 hour. Wash the hair thoroughly with water like 20% to remove the excess medicine. After washing, dry the hair using dryer for about 80% to 100% dry. Divide the hair into 4 parts. Start ironing from the nape of the neck going towards the front and to other section, separating into thin layers, and iron 7 to 10 times before sealing off the cuticle be completed. Rest the hair to cool down for 5 to 10 minutes, then wash the hair using any hair mask. Let sit for 5 minutes and wash thoroughly. Lastly, dry the hair using hair dryer. For longer effect of your treated hair, use Lotus After Treatment Set for daily use. Lotus Amino Plus works from inside and out, treating hair in a scientific way, transforming your dull, frizzy, and tangled hair into lively looking hair. The result is soft, shiny, and beautiful hair that you want it to be. Your beauty is our priority.